our lesson for today is about time series graph. The objective is to use and interpret a variety of time series graphs. First of all, you must know what are the parts of a graph. The first part of a graph is the title of it. Like here the title is Candy Sold by a Third Grade Class. The second part is the label, to label the x-axis and the y-axis what data they are representing. Like here the y-axis is number of candy bars sold, the sentence is called the label, and the x-axis is the weeks, the number of weeks. The third part is the scale. The scale here 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. The scale in the x-axis is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Now, what do we mean by interpret a graph? If you take any point in the graph, you have to go vertically to the x-axis, horizontally to the y-axis. Like this point, for example, it means in week 3, 20 bars were sold. If I take any other point, this point, for example, here, it means in week 6, 45 candy bars were sold. Let us go to another example. Average highest temperatures in Jamaica over a year. The title is the one that I just read. Temperature in degrees Celsius and month, they are the labels. Here, 27, 28, 29, and so on, this is the scale. The first question, in which month was the highest temperature? If I will look at the graph, I have to go to the highest point to see in which month it was the highest temperature. It was in August. They didn't ask me here what was the temperature. If they ask what was the highest temperature, it is 33. But here my answer is August, because they are just asking me about the month. Second question, what was the average temperature in March? I have to go to March, go up vertically, then horizontally to see the y-axis, which is the temperature in degrees Celsius. It is 30 degrees Celsius. The third question, in which month the average temperature was 31? I have to start from 31, going horizontally. I find the first month, which is April. Continue. I have another month here, November and December. So in April, November, and December, the average temperature was 31 degrees Celsius. One more question. What can you say about the average temperature in May, June, and July? I have to go to May, June, and July. I can find that all of them are in the same level. All of them, their average temperature is 32. So I can say that they have the same average temperature. Thank you.